Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 11. Let's get started. Sit relaxed wherever you are. Feel your feet on the ground. And we will start with deep, gentle breathing. So let's take a deep breath in. Inhale deeply. Fill your belly, fill your chest. And when you can't go any further, just push yourself a little bit more to go deeper. And then exhale. And as you exhale, you let go of anything which doesn't belong in this moment. So exhale all the way to the last point. Take another deep breath in. Again, go ahead, fill your belly, fill your chest all the way. And then gently exhale. And as you exhale, if a heavy breath or a sound comes out, that's absolutely normal. Take another deep breath in. Allow yourself to go all the way and then exhale. And as you exhale, you let go of anything which doesn't belong in this moment. And continue to breathe deeply, inhaling deeply, exhaling deeply. And notice subtle changes with each inhalation and each exhalation. And we would start with getting a little more centered, a little more relaxed. So we start with our physical body, checking different parts and relaxing them as we go step by step. So starting with your feet, relax your feet, relax your lower legs, let them go, like there is no need to hold on to them right now. Relax your knees, your thighs, your lower abdomen, like step by step, each part is just relaxing. You're becoming more freer internally. Relax your lower abdomen, your belly, your shoulders, your arms, all the way to your fingertips. And allowing this gentle relaxation to take over. Relax your throat, your jaw, your mouth, your whole face. And everything seems like coming to a natural, gentle pause. Like you're becoming more freer in this moment. Relax your eyes, your forehead, top of your head, back of your head. Relax your neck. You can actually breathe into different parts of your body if you feel that part is a little more stiff. Relax your upper back. Relax your spine, vertebrae by vertebrae, all the way to the base of the spine. Relax your hips, your legs, all the way to your feet. Notice how you feel in this moment. As you scan your physical body, check if there is still a part which is not at ease, not relaxed. You can take your attention to that part, listen to that part by feeling into it. If your mind goes somewhere else in a story, in some judgment, just gently bring it back in this moment by focusing on your breath. So listen to that part as you feel into it, and you can respond to that part by saying, take whatever you really want in this moment and trust that it knows what it wants. And then let's check what's going on energetically with your energy body. You feel alive, you feel vibrant, or part of you feel alive, part of you feel vibrant, or you feel very tired. And whatever you experience in this moment, it's all okay. So as you experience, as you check your energy body, listen to it Feel into it. And given what you're feeling, what is it that your energy body wants in this moment? So if you are overly energized, you want to calm down, or you're very much tired, you want a little more energy, a little more flow. So check what is it that you really want in this moment. The key word is in this moment. And give yourself permission to receive it. Now check your emotions. What emotions are available right now? Are you happy, sad, excited, calm? There are more than one emotions. You can name them. And without judging them, without getting the story of what's behind those emotions, staying present with your emotions, staying open. What is it that you really want emotionally right now? You good where you are? That's absolutely fine. You want more openness, more connection. Check what is it that you really want, and you can express it. You can even speak out loud, I want this, and see how it feels as you express your longing. Now I want you to check what's going on in your mind right now. What kind of thoughts are there, if there are any thoughts at all. If not, that's great. But just observe your mind right now. Now check that given what's there, and you allow yourself permission to experience it, how it feels, as the emotion changes. And now the next step is to connect with your higher self, to your soul, to God, to universe, and see if there is a message for you from that space in this moment. It could be a word, a sentence, a vibration, a feeling. Maybe it's just pure silence, and that's okay too. So take a moment to tune into this part and see what's the message. And as you receive this message, acknowledge this message, see if it resonates with you. And now the quality which we want to focus today is openness. Openness is a very amazing quality, and our growth in life is directly proportional to our openness to learn, our openness to experience, our openness to receive, our openness to give, our openness to keep our heart open. And we all have experienced this quality in our life in different places, different relations. So I want you to bring into your awareness an instance, an event where you felt really open. Maybe it was in the company of a loved one. Maybe when you were watching a wonderful sunset, or you were in the nature. Maybe when you were really receiving a loving attention from someone. And also, some of you really know what it feels to be in that place, to be open. And bring in that awareness. To be open is to grow. To be open is to receive. To be open is to give. And all of this without conditions. And as you continue to do so, naturally come into the flow of the universe, which is always guiding you. So let's take a few moments to come into that space of openness. And a very easy way is you can actually focus on your breath, the breath coming in, and you taking a deep inhale, and then as you exhale, one cycle is complete. You're open to receive, and you're open to give also. So sit in this awareness that I am open, like my energy is open to give and to receive. My heart is open to give and to receive. It's like a full cycle. So giving yourself permission that I am open in this moment and experiencing the beauty of openness, the beauty of this open, wide universe. And you're connected to that universe in this moment. And just sit in this space, enjoying this feeling of being open, centered, and calm. And notice any subtle changes as you're sitting in this space, enjoying being open. And by being open, you open the doorway for all the wonderful gifts which life is bringing to you to help you learn, to help you grow, to become the higher version of yourself. So sit in this space and enjoy. And I would pause here, and you can continue sitting in this space and allowing yourself to take advantage of this space. So I would see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.